Hi guys, this is Shahadat from flpforfreedom.com website. The address is typed in here. I've got a myflpbiz website as well, and here you go. That's my myflpbiz website. The address is flpforfreedom.myflpbiz.com, and what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can register your myflpbiz.com site with Google. If you are a Forever Living products distributor and if you have signed up for the myflpbiz.com website, you have something like your whatever name you have chosen, that .myflpbiz.com site, and registering your site with Google actually can help your business, because once your site is registered with Google, that means if anybody is looking for a service that you provide, Google may actually show it to people who are looking for those kind of services and information, and that can help your business quite a bit. So what I mean by that is I've just done a little mock-up in here. I've tried to look for FLP for Freedom, that word, in Google, and as soon as I hit the search, I get myflpbiz.com site as the first listing or first item in the search result. So it will exactly happen in the same way if you try it. That means if anybody is looking for a specific word in my site and my site gets listed on the top, people will come to my site probably, and that can generate business. Okay, so that's what I mean by registering your site with Google. That's one thing. The second thing I'm going to show you is how you can put Google Analytics code, okay, in this site, so that whoever comes to your site, as we say, traffic, the traffic can be monitored, and you can make decisions based on the activities that the traffic usually performs, where people ends up, which link people stay for longer, which people don't just click ever at all, things like those. How people react to your content, things like those. There are so many things. It's like a massive, huge subject to talk about. So I'm just trying to give you a very brief kind of idea. Now, how do we do that? Let's show you. To start with, I'm going to go to the foreverliving.com website, and I changed my country to Great Britain or in UK, because that's where I'm from at the moment. And then you need to do that, because otherwise you don't get the correct links, even though you are in my foreverliving.com website. So I click on the distributor login, and it gives me the distributor login screen. My details are already saved, and in your case you just have to type your username and password. The username is the 12-digit membership ID that you have, and then the password, you type that in, and straight away it logs you in. Now, under the My Business and Tools, you get this link called myflpbiz. That is the one that gives you access to get to the content of your site, so that you can manage your content. I clicked on manage my page there, so that I can edit the content. After coming to this this new interface, I'm just going to click on manage under my page, because then it actually takes me to the back end of my site. At the moment, this is the active template. As you have seen, I've got this template active here, so and it shows the current active template in this interface. I click on edit site, and then inside the editing mode of my website. Under the page setup tab, if I just click on the page setup tab, you get this option here that says register site. If you click on that, that is basically the one that gives you the option to register your site with Google. So your site's address, like in my case, the site address was flp4freedom.myflpbiz.com. In your case, whatever your URL is, you're just going to type it in, and then you need to type these numbers displayed in here, including this number in this photograph. You need to type them in and hit submit request. As soon as you do that, your site will be registered with Google. But please remember that as soon as you register your site, it is not likely that your site will be immediately available in Google search results, okay, because it can take up to a couple of weeks for Google's spider to actually crawl through your site. That means basically look at your site and copy whatever your site has and store it in Google's database. It takes up to a couple of weeks. So if you don't immediately see your site to show up in the listing, then don't panic, okay. So that's the first thing. So we're done with registering our site with Google. The next thing is how we do Google Analytics. If you click on this page setup and then Google Analytics key, this link, you will get a new little box that will ask for the Google Analytics key there. You get the Google Analytics key from the Google Analytics site. You have to register there, and as soon as you do that, they will give you a unique registration code, and you just need to copy that code and type that code in, or paste that code in into this box after clicking it. I'm not clicking it because my one is already set up, already saved. So if I click, you will be able to see it, and we are supposed to actually keep it private, okay. So I'm not clicking, but if you do click, you'll get to see the a little tab or new little window that will show you the text box where you can type the analytics keyword key in. Just the unique key that you get from the analytics, you just type that in and then hit save. There are two buttons on the top. One will be called save, the other one is cancel. You just click on save, and that will save your Google Analytics code in the site, and that way you will be able to look into log into your Google Analytics site or account and see the traffic that is coming to your site, and you'll be able to analyze the traffic and get lots of different kind of information that can be very useful for your business, okay. So that's basically it. I just wanted to show you these two little things: registering your site with Google and registering your or putting your Google Analytics keyword or unique key, not keyword, unique key with your myflpbiz system. Okay, hope you'll find this video useful. If you do, don't hesitate to share it, or leave comments, or if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask me, and I'll try to reply back as soon as I can, to my best knowledge, basically. If I don't know anything, I cannot reply. Well, I can probably try to find out and do that. But anyway, hope to see you soon again in my next video. So, and wish you all the best. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.